Welcome back to another video. Today we're taking a look at the brand new Soundcore frames. So these are a pair of Bluetooth audio sunglasses, and audio glasses aren't exactly a new concept. They've definitely been around for a while, but for me, the Soundcore frames are one of those products that maybe you don't really think about. They never really cross your mind, but you end up getting a pair and you're wondering why you didn't get them sooner. I've been using these for the past few weeks and they have certainly grown on me, and I love them as an alternative to headphones or earbuds because they're just so convenient. And Soundcore has interchangeable lenses that you can choose from, so you can really find a style that works for you. So before we jump into all the details, let's take a look at what comes inside of the box. So in the box, you're going to get the actual lenses. These in particular are the tour style lenses. You're also getting a microfiber cloth, which you can use to clean the lenses. And then you have the temples, which actually house the speakers and microphones. You're also getting a case, which you can use to store a pair of spare lenses. So connecting the lenses with the temples is super easy. You just kind of line them up and apply a little pressure and they will lock into place. Taking them apart is the same process in reverse. You just kind of grip them at the base and pull them apart. You're also getting a magnetic charging cable. The charging pins are located on the underneath side of the temples, so you just take the charging cable and connect it like so. On a full charge, these are going to give you roughly 5.5 hours of listening time. You're getting 2 microphones for phone calls and an IPX4 water resistant rating, which means they can withstand sweat and splashes of water. You're also getting app support, which allows you to customize your experience. You're able to access the open surround sound feature, which gives your music kind of a live sound. It adds some nice reverb to almost make it sound like you're at a concert, and it's adjustable with 7 different levels. You also have a privacy mode, which kind of lowers the volume in case you're somewhere that's really quiet and you don't want your music to be too loud. You also have access to a few different EQ presets, and if those aren't enough, you can create your own. You're able to activate or deactivate wearing detection, and this is going to control whether your music automatically pauses each time you remove the frames from your head. You're able to customize the swipe and tap controls, so between play and pause, between your track controls, volume controls, and voice assistant, you're able to choose which controls you want. Personally, I prefer to have play and pause and my track controls on the left temple, and then have play and pause and my volume controls on the right temple. Something else that's really convenient is the smart voice control, and this allows you to control the frames without having to go through your voice assistant. So you can simply say things like next song, previous song, volume up, volume down, along with a list of other commands, and this allows you to control the frames without needing to say hey Google or hey Siri, so it's almost like a built-in voice assistant. Stop playing. Resume playing. Next song. Previous song. Hey. So what I really like about the Soundcore frames is just their casual nature. So you can listen to music, you can take phone calls without needing to have something in your ears. So you could literally wear these all day compared to something like a pair of earbuds. So I like to wear these around the house while I'm working from home, just at my desk on the computer. I can have some background music and still be fully in tune with everything that's going on around me. Or if I'm going for a walk, I can be listening to music or a podcast and still be 100% aware of my surroundings. And while I'm doing all of these things, if a phone call comes through, I can use the frames for that as well. So as far as sound quality, these are a completely open design, so you can't really expect the same level of sound that you would get with like a pair of earbuds or headphones, but for what these are, the sound quality is very enjoyable. It gives you that surround sound type feeling and is perfect for casual activities. So like I said, going for a walk, running errands, working from home, things like that. You're getting plenty of max volume, and like I said, at higher volumes, these are going to leak some sound. Now let's go ahead and test out the microphones, which is another one of my favorite features. All right, so this is a microphone test, and the call quality on these is definitely one of my favorite features. I've taken multiple phone calls over the past few weeks and I haven't had any issues. I've been able to hear the other person very clearly. They've been able to hear me very clearly. And what I really love is that you don't have to have anything, in your ears. So you can stay tuned in with everything that's going on around you and still handle your phone calls. So like the other day, I was taking my daughter on a walk and a phone call came through. I was able to answer it, take the phone call and still be completely tuned in with my surroundings. That way I can hear traffic, make sure me and my daughter are safe. And she was actually in a stroller asleep. So, if she was able to start crying or something like that, I could hear her perfectly fine. And at the same time, take care of my phone call. And then once it's done, end the phone call and just go on about my walk. So call quality is definitely one of the best features about these sunglasses. So in addition to all the specs and features, these are also a fully functional pair of sunglasses. So they look like a regular pair of sunglasses and they perform like a regular pair of sunglasses. And I love the fact that nobody's going to be able to look at these and immediately know what they are. So that's going to be it for this video. If you're interested in grabbing a pair, be sure to check out the links down in the description. And if you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and do me a favor. Give it a thumbs up as well as subscribe to the channel. You can also follow me on social media to stay up to date on all the reviews that I'll have coming up. And aside from that, as always, I'll see you guys in the next one.